Module 4 Practice Questions Activity, Create a Project Charter. In this session, we will be focusing on the key concepts related to project resources and project charters. Question 1. Can you list some essential project resources? Essential project resources include things like team members, people who work on the project, like engineers or designers. Budget, money set aside to pay for things like materials and salaries. Materials, things needed to build or create, like parts for a car or ingredients for a recipe. Tools, equipment used to do the work, such as software programs or physical tools. Time, the schedule or timeline to complete tasks and meet deadlines. These resources are crucial because they help get the work done efficiently and on time. Each resource plays a vital role in making sure the project runs smoothly and successfully. Question 2. How would you describe the value of project documentation? Project documentation is important because it helps keep track of everything happening in a project. It's like taking notes in class to remember what you learned. Here's why it's valuable. Organization. It keeps all important information in one place, like goals, plans, and who's doing what. Communication. It helps team members understand their tasks and how they fit into the big picture. Learning. It lets people learn from past projects, so they can do better next time. Problem solving. If something goes wrong, documentation helps figure out what happened and how to fix it. Overall, project documentation is like a guidebook that helps everyone work together and succeed. However, let's dive a bit deeper into the value of project documentation. Project documentation serves several purposes. Communication. It helps in communicating project goals, objectives, and requirements to all stakeholders involved, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Accountability. Documentation provides a record of decisions made, actions taken, and responsibilities assigned, holding team members accountable for their tasks. Knowledge transfer. It allows for the transfer of knowledge from one project team to another, ensuring continuity and preventing the loss of valuable information. Risk management. Documentation helps identify and mitigate risks by providing a clear record of potential issues, their impact, and the actions taken to address them. Evaluation and improvement. It enables project evaluation and post-project analysis, facilitating lessons learned and continuous improvement for future projects. So, while project documentation does help in keeping track of project activities, it also serves as a valuable tool for communication, accountability, knowledge transfer, risk management, and improvement. Keep up the good work. Question 3. What are the elements of a project charter? A project charter is like a map that shows where a project is going. It has a few important parts. Project name. This is just the name of the project, like Super Science Fair. Goals. These are what the project aims to achieve, like winning first place. Deliverables. These are the things the project will create or do, such as a cool science experiment. Business case. This explains why the project is needed and how it helps the school or community. Costs and benefits. These show how much the project will cost and what good things it will bring. Scope. This says what's included and what's not, so everyone knows what to expect. Project team. These are the people who will work on the project, like students, teachers, or volunteers. Measuring success. This tells how we'll know if the project worked, like getting good feedback or winning awards. These parts together make sure everyone understands the project and how to make it a success. You have correctly identified the key components. Project name, the name or title of the project. Goals, the specific objectives or outcomes the project aims to achieve. Deliverables, the tangible or intangible products, services, or results that the project will produce. Business case, the justification for the project, including its purpose, benefits, and alignment with organizational goals. Costs and benefits, the estimated costs associated with the project and the anticipated benefits or value it will bring. Scope, the boundaries and limitations of the project, defining what is included and what is not. Project team, the individuals or groups responsible for executing the project tasks and achieving the project goals. Measuring success, the criteria or metrics used to evaluate the success or effectiveness of the project. By including these elements in a project charter, everyone involved in the project can have a clear understanding of its purpose, scope, and expected outcomes. Excellent job! This is an opportunity for you to reinforce your understanding of the key concepts related to introducing new tools to a team, communicating with stakeholders, choosing tools for a project, using scheduling and work management software, and knowing when it's worth learning a more sophisticated tool. Question 1. Can you explain the best practices when introducing a new tool to a team? Introducing a new tool to a team at Larry Jeffers Race Cars involves a few important steps to make sure everyone gets on board smoothly. Training. Make sure everyone knows how to use the tool. Training sessions help team members feel confident and capable. Clear communication. Explain why the tool is being introduced and how it will help the team. This helps everyone understand its importance. Feedback. Listen to what the team thinks about the tool. Their feedback can make it work even better for everyone. Introducing tools this way at Larry Jeffers Race Cars helps the team work together better and get the most out of new tools. Question 2. How would you choose the right tools for a project? Choosing the right tools for a project at Larry Jeffers Race Cars is like picking the best tools for building a car. Know your needs, understand what the project needs to accomplish. This helps you find tools that fit those needs perfectly. Research options. Look at different tools available. Compare them to see which ones have the features and benefits that match your project goals. Test and decide. Try out a few tools if possible. This helps you see how they work in real situations before choosing the one that works best. Choosing tools this way at Larry Jeffers Race Cars helps ensure the project runs smoothly and meets its goals without unnecessary complications. Question 3. How would you describe scheduling and work management software? Scheduling and work management software at Larry Jeffers Race Cars is like a digital calendar and to-do list combined. Digital calendar. It helps teams plan when different tasks need to happen, like building parts for a car or testing. To-do list. It keeps track of what needs to be done and who is responsible for each task. Organization. This software helps keep everything organized and on track, making sure projects are finished on time. Using this software at Larry Jeffers Race Cars makes it easier for teams to work together efficiently and meet deadlines without missing important steps. Additionally, this software aids in organizing and ensuring projects are completed on time. Well done! In this session, we will be focusing on the key concepts of scheduling tools, productivity and collaboration tools, and project management software. Question 1. Can you explain what scheduling tools are and how they can be useful in managing projects? Explanation with fictional scenario. Example, scenario. At Larry Jeffers Race Cars, the team is preparing for a major event where they need to complete the tuning and preparation of several high-performance race cars. Each car has specific modifications and tuning requirements that must be done in a precise sequence to ensure optimal performance on race day. Numerical metrics. Project timeline. The event is scheduled in 12 weeks, and each car requires 2 weeks of tuning and testing. Resource allocation. Each car requires a dedicated team of technicians and engineers, with specific skill sets and availability. Budget constraints. There's a strict budget of $50,000 allocated for each car's tuning and preparation. Usefulness of scheduling tools. Task sequencing. A scheduling tool like Smartsheet is used to create a detailed timeline for each car's tuning process. Tasks such as engine tuning, chassis adjustments, and test runs are sequenced based on dependencies and critical paths. Resource management. The tool helps in assigning technicians and engineers to each task based on their availability and skill levels. This ensures that the right resources are allocated at the right time, preventing bottlenecks and delays. Time management. By setting deadlines and milestones within the scheduling tool, project managers can track progress and ensure that each car meets its performance benchmarks before race day. For instance, weekly progress updates can be monitored to see if tasks are on schedule or need adjustment. Budget tracking. Integrated features in the scheduling tool allow project managers to track expenditures against the allocated budget. This helps in controlling costs and making adjustments if unexpected expenses arise during the tuning process. Benefits. Improved efficiency. Scheduling tools streamline the planning and execution phases, reducing the time spent on manual coordination and communication. Enhanced coordination. Teams across different departments can collaborate more effectively, sharing real-time updates and ensuring everyone is aligned with the project timeline. Risk mitigation. Early identification of potential delays or resource shortages allows for proactive measures to mitigate risks and keep the project on track. In summary, scheduling tools are indispensable for Larry Jeffers Race Cars in managing their complex projects, ensuring timely delivery of high-performance race cars while maintaining cost efficiency and meeting customer expectations. These tools not only optimize resource utilization but also enhance overall project management effectiveness in the competitive world of motorsports. Question 2. Can you list some examples of scheduling tools commonly used in project management? How do these tools help in organizing and tracking project tasks? Here are some examples of scheduling tools commonly used in project management, along with how they help in organizing and tracking project tasks. Examples of scheduling tools. Microsoft Project. Features: Gantt charts, task management, resource allocation, budget tracking. Use case: Larry Jeffers Race Cars uses Microsoft Project to create detailed project plans for building and tuning race cars. They utilize Gantt charts to visualize task dependencies and timelines, ensuring that each step in the process is carefully sequenced. Smartsheet. Features: spreadsheet-like interface, task management, automated workflows. Use case: the team at Larry Jeffers Race Cars uses Smartsheet to track tasks and milestones during the preparation of race cars. They leverage automated workflows to streamline communication and progress updates among team members and stakeholders. Asana. Features: task lists, project timelines, collaboration tools. Use case: Larry Jeffers Race Cars employs Asana to manage their racing event schedules. They create task lists for each car's tuning process, assign responsibilities to technicians, and set deadlines to ensure all modifications are completed on time. Fictional scenario example. Scenario: Larry Jeffers Race Cars is gearing up for a major racing event where they need to prepare 5 race cars within a tight schedule of 10 weeks. Each car requires extensive tuning, modifications, and testing to meet performance standards and race regulations. Numerical metrics: project timeline, 10 weeks from start to finish. Task complexity: each car requires 500 hours of labor for tuning and testing. Resource allocation: 15 technicians and engineers are available, each with varying skill levels and availability. How scheduling tools help: organizing tasks. Using Microsoft Project, the project manager creates a comprehensive project plan that outlines tasks such as engine tuning, chassis adjustments, aerodynamic testing, and driver simulations. Tasks are organized into a structured timeline to ensure efficient execution. Tracking progress: Smartsheet is utilized to track the progress of each car's preparation. The spreadsheet interface allows for real-time updates on task completion, resource utilization, and budget expenditure. Automated notifications keep the team informed of upcoming deadlines and task dependencies. Resource management: Asana is employed to assign specific tasks to technicians and engineers based on their skills and availability. Team members receive notifications of task assignments, allowing for seamless collaboration and ensuring that all necessary work is completed on schedule. Benefits of using scheduling tools: improved efficiency. By organizing tasks and timelines, scheduling tools streamline the project management process, reducing the likelihood of delays and ensuring optimal resource allocation. Enhanced collaboration: tools like Asana facilitate team collaboration by providing a centralized platform for task management and communication. This enhances coordination among team members and stakeholders. Real-time monitoring: scheduling tools offer real-time visibility into project progress, allowing project managers at Larry Jeffers Race Cars to make informed decisions and adjustments to ensure project milestones are met. In summary, scheduling tools play a crucial role at Larry Jeffers Race Cars in organizing, tracking, and managing the complex tasks involved in preparing race cars for competitive events. These tools not only enhance efficiency and collaboration but also contribute to the overall success of their racing endeavors by ensuring precision and timeliness in project execution. Question 3. How do productivity and collaboration tools, such as Microsoft Project, Smartsheet, and Asana, enhance teamwork and communication in project management? Can you provide some specific examples? Productivity and collaboration tools like Microsoft Project, Smartsheet, and Asana enhance teamwork and communication in project management by providing structured frameworks for organizing tasks, facilitating real-time updates, and promoting seamless collaboration among team members. Here's how these tools can benefit Larry Jeffers Race Cars in a fictional scenario: enhancing teamwork and communication. Microsoft Project scenario: Larry Jeffers Race Cars is planning a major overhaul of their engine tuning process to improve performance across their racing fleet. Numerical metrics: the project involves 10 cars, each requiring 100 hours of engine tuning. The total budget allocated is $100,000, with a timeline of 8 weeks. Benefits: task management. Microsoft Project allows the project manager to break down the engine tuning process into detailed tasks such as tuning parameters, dyno testing, and performance analysis. Resource allocation. Team members can be assigned specific tasks and resources allocated based on their availability and expertise, ensuring efficient use of manpower and equipment. Collaboration. Real-time updates on task progress and timelines enable effective communication among technicians, engineers, and project stakeholders. Any adjustments to the schedule can be communicated instantly to keep everyone informed and aligned. Smartsheet. Scenario. Larry Jeffers Race Cars is preparing for a series of racing events across different locations, requiring meticulous planning and coordination. Numerical metrics. There are 5 events in the season, each event requiring coordination of 20 team members and 10 race cars. The budget for each event is $50,000. Benefits. Task tracking. Smartsheet provides a centralized platform where tasks related to event logistics, car preparation, and travel arrangements can be tracked and managed. Each event's progress can be monitored in real time. Automated workflows. Automated workflows streamline communication by sending alerts and notifications to team members about upcoming tasks, deadlines, and changes in schedule. Document management. Documents such as event schedules, driver briefings, and equipment checklists can be shared and updated in real time, ensuring that everyone has access to the latest information. Asana. Scenario. Larry Jeffers Race Cars is developing a new prototype car for an upcoming racing category, requiring cross-functional collaboration among design, engineering, and testing teams. Numerical metrics. The prototype development project spans 6 months, with milestones set for design phase, fabrication, testing, and final adjustments. The budget allocated is $200,000. Benefits. Task assignments. Asana allows tasks such as design reviews, material sourcing, fabrication milestones, and testing phases to be assigned to respective team members. Clear responsibilities ensure accountability and progress tracking. Timeline management. The project timeline can be visualized using Asana's project timeline view, allowing stakeholders to see dependencies and critical paths. Adjustments to the timeline can be made dynamically based on project progress. Communication channels. Team members can communicate directly within Asana, discussing tasks, sharing updates, and resolving issues collaboratively. This reduces the need for lengthy email chains and promotes efficient decision-making. Overall impact. Improved efficiency. By leveraging productivity and collaboration tools, Larry Jeffers Race Cars enhances workflow efficiency, reduces downtime, and meets project milestones within allocated budgets and timelines. Enhanced communication. These tools facilitate transparent communication across teams and stakeholders, fostering a collaborative environment where ideas can be shared, feedback can be provided promptly, and decisions can be made swiftly. Better resource management. Real-time visibility into task progress and resource utilization enables proactive resource management, ensuring that manpower and equipment are optimized to support project goals effectively. In conclusion, productivity and collaboration tools such as Microsoft Project, Smartsheet, and Asana empower Larry Jeffers Race Cars to streamline project management processes, enhance teamwork, and improve communication across complex racing projects. These tools not only support operational efficiency but also contribute to achieving competitive advantages in the highly dynamic automotive racing industry.